So dudes, today we have another knife. This one, it's not super dull. If you can see there's a fairly okay edge on it. It is sharp. I mean, you wouldn't want to run your finger up and down it. Here, we'll test though. Wow. Yeah, barely. So we're gonna do this one different. We're not gonna use our 120 grit belt. That's too abrasive. We're gonna use the whatever this one is, the not so coarse belt. The coarse but not so coarse belt. So again, this kitchen knife. Plug it in. Okay, so anyway, yeah, kitchen knife, we're gonna do our 20 degrees. Good. And, yeah. Just the lightest touch, you know? Okay, we're done with that. Again, there's no chips in the blade. It's not, you could cut yourself with it still. It's just not that sharp, you know? It's not that sharp. It's that other kind of sharp, which is not good. There you go. That's like 5 passes maybe. I don't know. Could be good. Let's do one more. This is our X4 belt. This is our really fine one. As fine gets with this system anyway. Okay, well, here. Whoa, right? Crazy. Let's see. That's looking not too pretty bad. Okay, there's still a burr on there. So we will get rid of that. Okay, so you guys know what we're gonna do? Because I know you all watched the last video, because that's totally what you guys are doing with your lives. We're gonna put on the leather strap belt, okay? And we're going to turn it down a bit, and we're going to put some of the polishing compound on, and we're going to get rid of the burr. good enough, right? We're gonna, usually I do this first, but I do this now because I forgot, that's why. We're gonna wipe it down. There we go. Let's have a little, oh, don't need to do that. Have a little inspection here. Okay, we have an okay blade, but you guys don't care about that. That's not important. This is important. Yay, it's good enough. I've justified myself once again. Let's do one more. Ready? I breathed in some of that shit. Wow. Good. Okay, goodbye.